My name's Sandra Llewellyn and I was the project coordinator. The project was to try and help people during lockdown to not be as isolated as they could be, and to give them something to do, something to look forward to.
So my name is Eve Jones and I'm a full-time staff member in Dr M's as the Life Skills and Resilience Worker. Through that we teamed up with Reconnecting to be able to provide intergenerational work to everyone in the community. So my job role basically is to work more so with the young people to encourage them to come along and participate in Reconnecting. So Reconnecting was created by Carmarthenshire 50+ and Dr M's when we decided to partner up to be able to bring in intergenerational work into the community.
Best quotes that came out of it, I think, is "Thank you for giving me my weekend back," because we did entertainment at the weekends, we did singers and that sort of stuff. We had, we started with 1 a week, we ended up doing 6 a week. We asked people continually what it was they wanted to do. They wanted to do arts and crafts, they wanted to play bingo, do quizzes, chats, all normal stuff that they would have done in their lives had it not been for COVID, and we just provided that on Zoom. The project was designed to be intergenerational so that we got younger people and older people together. We got families, in fact, turning up with, small children, to help people be more resilient, to bridge the generation gap and the fear and lack of knowledge of each other.
So when the project started, we were on Zoom. We did Zoom sessions once a week based around intergenerational work, and it was a lot of craft. That was the main thing that we found engaged both the older generation and the younger generation. And we did a lot of skill-led sessions. So some of our young people, for example, one young boy did a demonstration on how you make bird feeders, and he led that session. And then we had someone from the older generation who showed how to do knitting. And it was just a lot of skill sharing, chat sessions and communication basically throughout. I'd say that all round it has been a success, yeah. Obviously COVID has made it very difficult to be able to do the face-to-face sessions that we wanted to do, but moving forward now hopefully we can continue that and hopefully be able to bring them together.
It's been pretty emotional. It's been honestly quite fantastic to see people who are scared, lonely, isolated, with no contact with family, but that 4 or 5 times a week, 6 times a week, they have some contact with other people. They've built a community. A lot of them have become friends outside. The older people, I don't know so much about the young people in detail. The confidence levels are way up. People have learnt skills that they never thought they would have. They've become more able to apply for jobs, do things that they've never done. A bit of a roller coaster. Some things worked, some things didn't, but overall it's been probably one of the most rewarding things I've ever done.